Okay, well, just believe. Alright, if you say so, Chet, no problem. Let's run it. Cheep cheep. This is the music from the Gigi.
Every single day, stress comes in every way. I ain't got no time for nobody. My style is rich, dope, fat, and rich. We'll make a cake today that
I can see Kiara rapping like this. Oh my god.
Crack, 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 egg into the bowl.
Oh yikes.
The flour into the bowl.
M-I-X, flour into the bowl.
Crack, crack, crack the egg into the bowl.
Crack, 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 egg into the bowl.
M-I-X the flour into the bowl.
M-I-X, flour into the bowl.
Baking a cake, yes, means you gotta try.
Oh,
I'm doing
yikes.
this for years, but don't ask me why. Butter, butter, butter joins the bowl.
Butter, butter, butter joins the bowl.
We're making us a cake that you've never seen before.
We're making us a cake that you've never seen before.
Heat up the oven,
Bar.
now we're on a roll.
Heat up the oven, now we on the roll.
Cheap, cheap, cheap's the name of my soul.
Cheap, cheap, cheap's name up your soul.
Look, I'm just mixing up the flow a little bit. It's fun. Getting a little funky with it.
Cake in the oven for a while.
Thank you to Pinoy-kun times 2. Thank you so much. You've reached the end. You're making progress. Yeah, I did it. Just took a little while. Highly flammable. Thank you. Pinoy-kun, thank you so much. And a big ups to Blake. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Did you voice this chicken before joining Holo? That's your Calli voice. That's young Calli's voice. I didn't think it sounded too much like me, but maybe that's just my own perception of my voice. I don't know. A big ups to Baelz Sanjo, as well as Kylie Skew, thank you so much. Epic rap battles of history, Mori Calliope versus PaRappa the Rapper.